What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you'll find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money, and you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website, and then I'll see you on the video. Of course, you need to watch the course. You need to know that there is the major structure and minor structure. And for major structure, I use the 4 hours, and here you can just see current structure is, let me put another color, maybe red. Okay, so we have the high, we have the low, we have a higher high, we have a higher low compared to the previous low, we have a higher high again, we have a higher low again right here, higher high again right here. And these are all buy opportunities. We have a higher high, we look to trade from demand. We have a higher high, we look to trade from demand. We have a higher high, we look to trade from demand. Here we either hit a stop loss or hit nothing because maybe we don't have any confirmation. But anyway, here we have a lower low compared to the previous low. Therefore, we are looking for sells, expecting a reversal price. Okay. Can you please give us information about news? What is the most important news? When is it a bad day to trade? Most important news that you should avoid are NFP, the first Friday of every month. I recommend to not trade during those. And for the remaining, you should just pay attention to CPI and what is the other one? Interest rates. But when I say pay attention to, I just mean that maybe you're not trading 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after that news. That's it. Why you always look for market structure in the 4 hours time frame? Why not another time frame? Because my strategy works this way, and I use the 4 hours and 1 hour time frames as my reference, and then I trade accordingly. You need a time frame of reference and then do multi-time frame analysis from there. My choice is 4 hours and 1 hour because it works well for me. What is this? JPUSD from supply. Honestly, I was pretty bullish on JPUSD now. We had some sell opportunities during the week right here, selling opportunities, selling opportunities, selling opportunities, and then we just reached demand. And I actually wanted to look for buys from this demand or this demand lower. So no, I don't agree. Doesn't mean that I'm right and you're wrong, just means that I prefer looking for buys on JPUSD. JPUSD again looking for sells. Could be right. The minor market structure is bearish. So this market structure right here in the 1 hour is bearish. Overall market structure is pretty bullish with this breakout structure right here and demand that created the break structure. I would say 4 hours is pretty bullish, 1 hour is very bearish. We can continue with the 1 hour structure and continue to the downside, but we have no confirmation that that's happening yet. You could have looked for sales along the way right here. Now I wouldn't look for sales anymore. Can we look for sales GBUSD from here? I already responded. How you know it's a lower low on CAD JPY? It is a lower low. This low is lower than the previous one, as you can see. It just went lower than the previous low. It didn't break. What do you mean it didn't break? Oh, because you're looking at a candle breaking below. Now, for me, this is enough. If we don't hold the previous low, this is already for me a change of direction. All right. If you can check my entry, it will be awesome. This is Euro USD. I like the trade idea. As I was saying, I'm looking for buys from down here from this demand. If we reach it, maybe we don't reach it, but according to my plan, I'm only looking for buys from here. I'll show you on the 1 hour. Okay, perfect. This is what I'm looking for. Pull back to demand and then looking for buys from here to the upside. Let's see if I see any other opportunity. NZD CAD to the downside. This was a possible trade. This is actually a stop loss that I took a few days ago. Continue to the downside, possible selling opportunities. Demand fails, looking for supply. Okay, I didn't take it though. It's just to show you. GP CAD, nothing. GP JPY, I'm not interested right now, since we are in between a possible buy opportunity and still sell market structure in the 1 hour. Euro AUD reaching this demand, but I'm not really interested for now. I will check later if we have a very good opportunity from here. EuroCAD missed this opportunity from up here. As you can see, we didn't reach my alert. Could have been a nice trade, but anyway. GP CHF not interested, and AUD USD. It's a good area and could have had a good opportunity, but I'm more interested into GP USD and Euro USD. Can you see if my entry confirmation was good analysis on GP USD? Of course I can. Okay, so we have GPUSD breaking structure to the upside, failing these areas, these supply areas. That's really good. That's the best confirmation. Coming back to demand, possible entry right here. This is perfect. This would have been the perfect entry with stop loss just below the previous lows, the protected lows. This is very good actually. Why is CAD-JPY struggling to go down? Because this is what the market does. And it doesn't mean that we will go down. Maybe we'll just go up. We trade the market according to our strategy and according to what works the majority of the times, but it doesn't work all the times. Will you send Euro USD? Yes, I will send Euro USD. I will send it now, actually, or later, once we are done with the live. All right, we are holding the demand right here. Anyway, I will answer the last few questions and then I will go back to the Discord and start sending your USD and the charts that I have on my watch list. So make sure to ask them now, and later I will upload the recording of this live. Puoi guardare le due entry? Can you send the link again, please? Have you ever done a funded challenge? What do you think about it? Yes, I did FTMO 1 month ago, or 1 month ago or 2 months ago. When was it? FTMO 1 month ago. Yeah, I did FTMO 1 month ago, and I passed the 40K challenge, and now I'm planning to do more. I've always traded with my capital, but of course, funding companies are a good opportunity to get more capital, and this is what I'm doing now. I passed my first challenge. It was actually the first one that I was trying last month, and now I just want to do more. When will you upload this video? This video will be uploaded today already. So we have two charts. This is Euro JPY sell. This was very good. Market structure over a bearish to the downside. We have this market structure. We have this supply area, which is a very good supply area that manipulates. And this will be explained in the backtesting file. And as I said already, now that I'm feeling better and that I don't have COVID anymore, I will work on sharing with you the backtesting file. We have the other chart, which is USD CHF. USD CHF is not a pair that I really like, but of course this trade goes according to the plan. This is a bullish structure with a demand area, and if you find entry confirmation down here, this is very good. What do the three lines, green, red, and yellow mean? Please just look at the course. It's explained. It's an indicator. It's not to trade. It's just to tell us in which session we're trading. Basically, yellow is London session, green is New York session, and the last one is the closing of London session. Just thank you for the live and everything. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'm looking at the last chart and then we are done with this live. This is USD CAD. Considering this as liquidity and looking for sales from here, I would personally look for sales if we break this low right here. Personally, this is what I would like to see to actually consider this this setup, but that's just me, my preference. What is New York and London session? It's just sessions of the market. It's just trading times. You can find this in internet anywhere. Just Google trading sessions and you will find it. Do you choose the point of interest even if there is no imbalance? Yes, imbalance is not needed. Liquidity is much more important for me. Okay, perfect.